And Wolf. Wolf, very good character. Dedede, still that combo bait. Let's see if Pete can get some quick edge guards. But going for side Bs, Wolf's primary punish utility is not Elise's favorite thing, so let's see how she can convert into kills. Ooh, reverse hit, yep, Elise still makes it back. Interesting. Oh, damn, just misses that scar. Yeah, gets that conversion. Good, evened up. Ooh, chain grab probably not high enough percent yet before. Probably can't start it at 0. Oh, thought I was going to see another scar there. Yes, gets it. Nice. Good conversion. Ooh. Yes. Pete having a hard time getting kills, confirming things. Oh, headbutt. No. Nice, nice. Is that enough? Cool. Oh. Great first game from Elise. Good Wolf coverage. Let's see. Where they go? Dreamland counter pick. Elise. Yep, Zelda. Bringing out the Zelda. Fair enough on Dreamland. Very good Zelda stage. Probably not a great Wolf stage. But still a great matchup. Oh. Let's see if Pete can make a change from the thimble. Nice. Elise keeping it even. Uh-oh. There we go, and a good kick. Oh wow, Din's fire is so good. Sweet, 2-0 to Elise. Snap.